Okay, for today's topic, we're going to discuss about division of fractions. Dividing fractions is one of the easiest in four fundamental operation of fractions. Okay, let's try this given examples. Okay, let's have the first one. So we have here 1/4 divided by 6 over 11. So here you're going to do is just copy the dividend, which is 1/4, and then you're going to change the division sign into multiplication. So always change division into multiplication, and then you're going to get the reciprocal of your divisor. So when we say reciprocal, it is the transverse or reverse. Okay, so your divisor here is 6 over 11, so the reciprocal of it is 11 over 6. Then now let's proceed to multiplication. In multiplying, you're going to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So let's have the first one. 1 times 11 is equals to 11. 4 times 6 is equals to 24. So 11 over 24, do they have common factor? So none. So it is in simplest form. So always make your answer into simplest form. Okay, let's have the next one. So we have here 4 over 7 divided by 14. In division, always the denominator of a whole number is 1. Okay, so again, copy the dividend 4 over 7 and then change the sign into multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of your denom your get the reciprocal of your divisor, which is 1 and over 14. So let's proceed to multiplication. So numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Let's have 4 times 1 equals to 4. 7 times 14 is equals to 98. So 4 over 98. Do they have common factor? Yes, it's 2. So we're going to divide 4 over 98 into 2. So we're going to divide both numerator and denominator into 2. So we have 4 divided by 2 is equals to 98 divided by 2 is equals to 49. So 2 over 49. Do they have common factor? So none. So it is in the simplest form. So let's have the next one. So we have 3 and 1/5 divided by 4 over 3. So we're going to change first the dividend into improper fraction. So in doing this, we're going to multiply 5 into 3. So 5 times 3 equals 15. And then we're going to add 1. So 15 plus 1 is equals 16. So we have 16 and then copy the denominator 5. So 16 over 5. Then change the sign of division into multiplication. Then get the reciprocal of 4/3, so which is 3/4. Then now let's proceed to multiplication. 16 times 3 is equals to 48. 5 times 4 is equals to 20. So 48 over 20. So here you can divide 48 into 20. So 48 divided by 20 is equals to 2. Then 20 times 2 is equals 40. And then 48 minus 40 is equals to 8. So you have 8. And then you're just going to copy that denominator 20. So answer is 2 8 over 20. The, so 8 over 20, they have common factor. So which is 4, and then we're going to divide them into 4. So 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2. Then 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5. So the answer here is 2 and 2/5. Okay, you can also solve this by doing this. So 16 over 5 times 3 fourths is equals, so 16 and 4, they have common factor, which is 4. So 16 going to divide into 4, so it will become 4. And then 4 we divide it into 4, so it will become 1. So and then we're going to multiply now. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. Then 5 times 1 is equals to 5. And then we're going to divide 12 into 5. So 12 divided by 5 is equals to 2. And then 5 times 2 is equals to 10. And then 12 minus 10 is equals to 2. So we have 2. Then we're going to copy the denominator 5. So we have the same answer, 2 and 2/5. Let's proceed to the next. Okay, we have here 4 and 4/5 divided by 2. So again, in dividing whole number, the denominator is always 1. And okay, we're going to change first the dividend into improper fraction by multiplying 5 into 4. So 5 times 4 is equals to 20, and then 20 plus 4 is equals to 24. So we have 24, and then copy the denominator 5. And then change the division sign into multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of your divisor, 1/2. And now let's proceed to multiplication. But here we have common factor. Our numerator and denominator have common factor. So we can cancel them, okay? Since they have the common factor, so 20, which is 2, okay? So 24 divided by 2 will become 12. 2 divided by 2 will become 1. And now we can proceed and move on to our multiplication. So 12 times 1 is equals to 12. 5 times 1 is equals to 5. So here we can divide uh, 12 into 5. So 12 divided by 5 is equals to 2. And then 5 times 2 is equals to 10. And then 12 minus 10 is equals to 2. So we have 2. And then copy the denominator 5. So we have the answer 2 and 2/5. So I hope this video will help you in your difficulties in dividing fractions. Thank you and God bless.